And the end scene one at the who is there? Yes, my lord. I want a big wooden palace. Find the bigger city and cut it. Yes, my lord. Scene 2 at the countryside. Shall we cut? Oh, please, don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick. Sorry, it is fixed order. No, we will not let you to cut the tree. If you don't listen, we will cut off your head. So serious! Let us go to the king! Hey, what happened? Sorry, Lord. Unable to cut a tree. What nonsense? Let me check me tomorrow. Love me? Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Scene 3 after the Scene 3 after the palace. During Scene 4 during Warrior